Hello everyone, welcome back to RJ Tech. Today we will be exploring two popular AI-powered audio enhancement tools, Adobe Podcast Enhance and AI Acoustic. Whether you are a podcaster, YouTuber or freelancer working with audio, having a crystal clear sound is crucial. Poor audio quality can drive away listener, making it essential to use the right tool for audio enhancement. Both of these tools use artificial intelligence to clean up recordings, but they have different features, strength or weakness. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of which one best suits your needs. So let's get started. So first, enhancing audio with Adobe Podcast Enhance. Adobe Podcast Enhance is a free AI-driven tool that cleans up audio by reducing background noise, echo, and improving voice clarity. It is specially designed for podcasting, voiceovers, and the spoken word content. Here, how to use it. So first, go to the Adobe Podcast Enhance official website. I will provide a detailed link in the description box also. And at here, upload any your recording files. You can upload only audio files. To upload video files, you need to subscribe the premium version. Now click on upload file and select the recording that you want to enhance. Wait for processing. The AI will analyze and enhance the sound. Once it's proceed, now you see our audio is ready. You can also preview it simply clicking on this icon. And this is my voice without enhancing.
Are you ready to play your favorite Android games on your PC without relying on the third-party emulator?
And this is my voice with enhanced. In this video, we will show you step by step so you can clearly see the difference between the voices. Once we proceed, download it. The key feature of the Adobe Podcast Enhance is that remove unwanted background noise, help make a voice recording sound more professionally. Simply drag and drop functionality with the minimal effort required. Enhance audio quickly and efficiently, so it is very fast and easy. Now enhance audio with AI Acoustic. AI Acoustic is another AI-powered tool designed to enhance speech clarity with minimized unwanted noise. Unlike Adobe Podcast Enhance, AI Acoustic allow for great customization in enhancement setting, make it more flexible for different types of audio recordings. Here, how to use it. You can also visit the AI Acoustic website officially navigate the Acoustic online platform. I will provide the description link also, and here upload the file you want to enhance. You can in AI Acoustic you can choose the level of enhancement. AI Acoustic offers different levels of enhancement, allowing you to fine-tune the result according to your preference. Wait for the AI to proceed the file. Once it complete, click on the play icon and at here preview the file. And you can also adjust the level of enhancement in your audio.
Welcome back to RJ Tech. Are you ready to play your favorite Android games on your PC without relying on the third-party emulator filled with annoying ads? In this video, we will show you step-by-step guide on how to create your own custom emulator for a smooth and ad-free gaming experience. Are you excited for it?
So the key feature of AI Acoustic is that I provide more control over noise reduction and clarity adjustment. Work well for both speech and some music recording. Can improve recording that are slightly unclear and disordered. Analyze a different aspect of sounds to optimize enhancement. So which one should you choose? Both Adobe Podcast Enhance and AI Acoustic are excellent tools for enhancing audio quality, but the best choice depends on your need. If you want a fast, simple, automatic tool that works well for podcast, voiceover, and clean spoken word audio, then Adobe Podcast is the best option. If you need more customization and want to enhance speech recordings with varying level of noise or distortion, then AI Acoustic is the best way to go. If you work with music or complex audio composition, AI Acoustic provides better flexibility. Both tools have their strength and the choice ultimately comes down to your specific requirements. If you are unsure, try both and compare the result to see which one works best for your projects. But I personally prefer you to Adobe Podcast Enhance because it is very fast and easy to use. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you. Have a good day.